Make a great choice today with the 2020 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.